But the Spirit of God came inside us and He gave us power to live holy. Yingakho siyazazi izitsha zasethempelini engathintwa. Ngisho emakhaya, ekhaya sibuyisa iorder. That's holiness. See, the reason we have a problem of teaching that in the kingdom is because it has seyilahleke emuva. So now it is the duty of the church of Jesus Christ to bring back the kingdom order. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah, yingakho la ibandleni kunamadoda obaba ubani obaba uchiyo obaba usibe obaba mangikhuluma nabo ngumpostoli angime nje ngibagqolozela. Mangikhuluma nabo ngihlala phansi bahlale phansi bese siyakhuluma. That's holiness. Touch your neighbor and say live holy. Live holy. Live holy. Live holy. Live holy. Abantu abaningi abawanga bewiso ukuthi uNkulunkulu waxabana nabesontweni baxabana nabazalwana abahlulwe ukuphila ubungcwele.